Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Now that's a Cadillac right there. Oh, speaking of Cadillac, that's what I got for 14 bucks.
You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Blanco SS Monte Carlo with T-tops. Wow.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Pikachu.
don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
I saw this car coming in this morning. This has the seats that swivel. I asked the guy, I said, does it have the seats that swivel? He said, yep. There it is right there. See the seats? Isn't that cool? Papa. This must be Papa's car. Passenger been in there too long. Wow. Well, that's nicely done. Very nice. turbo convertible K car. And that Z28 is a hard top. Side pipe. Pumpkin Punisher orange with side pipes. Orange Cadillac wheels.
Somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Pontiac Laurentian crew cab on big wheels. That's cool. It's got the blue cloth on the seat. Oh, look at this thing. This thing's awesome. Oh, frig, yeah. Got the blue cloth on the seat, just like the Cadillac. That's cool.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just
This is the NASCAR headlights, NASCAR hood.
yeah, I just wanna be great.
Look at this unit. Oh my goodness, it's color matching wheels. Pontiac Ferrari. And a Pontiac 6000. Haven't seen one of these in a while. What a unit. It's for sale too. It could be yours. I think these ones are for sale. 5,700 for sale. The 28 could be yours, for sale. Look at the pipes on the back of this unit. Covered in pollen, just like the Cadillac is. I think this cranks the window up and down. That's pretty cool. Look how much room there is in there for activities. Wow. That's pretty cool. This thing's pretty cool as well. Touring suspension. The roof is like stainless leather. Corvette's for sale. $8,500. Pop-up headlights. Whew. Saturday at Barrie Automotive Flea Market. And I'm out in the parking lot delivering a transmission. It seems a little bit quiet this year. I don't know, because of COVID. And it's super windy today. But the parking lot here is just huge. It's a little bit slightly more empty than usual. There's some cool stuff in the parking lot. Subaru. See some other stuff too. Square body trucks, OBS trucks, BMW. There's a truck with a stinger on it, Camaro, dually, Mustang. Lots of cool stuff in the parking lot too. Ooh, another Black Smoke Matters. 69, blow me. Look at those units. On the way home from Burl's Creek, drinking all kinds of fuel. Expensive, terrible. Man, fuel prices are ridiculous. I want to say retarded. I guess is that socially acceptable? I don't care. Fuel prices are retarded. Especially when you drive a 1981 Cadillac and a 1983 Firebird and a van with the same aerodynamics as the cardboard box. I'm gonna start riding a bicycle or riding a horse. Or motorcycle. Another one just pulled in. What is it? Where is it?